How to fix How to Fish game is crashing on Steam. So first you will need to go to your library, right click on the game and open the properties. And in the launch options, you will need to use -dx11 command. Otherwise, you can try -dx10 if the first command is not working properly. And then you will need to go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam. Next, you'll need to open up your browser and navigate to this link, which you can find below in the description. And from this table here, you will need to install the 86 and the 64 for distributables. And once you're done, this will require you to restart your computer. So make sure to do that. Now, right after the restart, you will need to update your GPU driver. So if you're having an NVIDIA card, or if you're running an NVIDIA card, you will need this NVIDIA app installed. Then go to drivers and check for updates and install them from here. Now, if you're running AMD, you will need the AMD software. And once you've installed the latest updates, what you got to do is right click on Steam and run it as admin. And then just launch the game from your library. And this should solve the crash problem. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.